Okay, everyone. Today we're going to be continuing our problem solving on geometric series that relates to compound interest. Okay, so the first video we did question A, and then today we're going to do question B. Okay, let's read the question again together. So Maya borrows $6,000 and agrees to make repayments of $100 at the end of each month. She must pay 12% per annual interest, compounded monthly. Question A, how much does Maya still owe at the 12 repayments? And question B, how much time will it take for Maya to pay off the loan? We already answered question A, and it's in the previous video. You can check it out. And the answer for how much does Maya still owe at the 12 repayments, it was $5,492.7. Okay, that's how much she still owes after the 12 repayments. So A12 means amount still owing, amount still owing, and the 12 means after the 12 repayment. Okay, so if the A12 is the amount still owing after the 12 repayment, then AN, okay, is going to be amount owing after the N repayments. The understanding is going to help us do B. Okay, so if it's asking how much time will it take for Maya to pay off the loan, and AN is amount owing after the nth repayment, we can actually conclude that the amount owing after the nth repayment, we don't know how much that N is going to be 0. Okay, and we want to know what the N is. So until how many N will the amount that she's owing going to be 0? Okay, so it means, okay, so the AN needs to be 0, and then we need to find the N. Alrighty, so let's do it. Okay, so if A12 is 6,000 times okay, then we're going to do, okay, then it means the amount owing after the nth repayment is going to be 6,000 times 1.01 to the power of n minus 100, and then in bracket times 1.01 power n minus 1 over 0.01. That's it. That's the formula for AN. How did we get that formula? We got it from the A12. How did we get the A12? We got it from the A1, A2, A3, and then we try to find the pattern, and we got the A12. Alrighty, okay, so AN needs to be 0, because when AN is 0, she paid off the debt. Okay, and then okay, so how many repayment will that be? Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so we know that the AN needs to be 0, so I put 0 there. And then I'm just going to write everything all over again, but I love technology. I can just copy paste this whole thing without me needing to rewrite everything again. So there you go. Okay, so AN is 0. Okay, the amount owing is going to be 0. And then okay, we just need to find the N, because the N is the repayment. So we don't know how many repayments that she needs to make. Alrighty, and okay, again, I'm gonna use the help of technology, because if you see there, I'm gonna move it around. So I'm gonna move this to the other side. So this bit here, that, because I'm gonna move it to the other. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah. Boom. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, I'm gonna move it to the other side. So now it's just the math. Yeah. So I'm moving the whole thing to the other side. It becomes positive, and the one on the left side, the left hand side of the equal sign is 6,000 times 1.01 power of n. Okay, at this level you should be able to follow what I'm doing, because it's just the math. Yeah, you need to have enough basic math to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got that. Now I'm going to simplify the 100 and the 0.01. Okay, so if I simplify that, it's going to be 100 divided by 0.01 is going to be 10,000. You can use a calculator for that, yeah? Okay, so now, I'm going to write everything again, so it's not going to be as messy. So it's going to be 10,000, and then I'm going to do the rainbow, okay, people? Rainbow. It's going to be 10,000 times 1.01 power of n minus, okay. Sorry, I have a better idea. Okay, so I think we better just simplify the 10,000. We're going to get rid of the 10,000. We're going to divide both sides by 10,000. Okay, so I'm dividing both sides by 10,000 because I want to get rid of it. Or in other words, I'm going to move the 10,000 to the right hand side. Dividing it by 10,000 means moving it to the right hand side. So now I'm left with 1.01 parven. Okay, so I changed my mind. I don't want to do the rainbow bit. I don't want to do the expanding because it's just making it messy. Yeah. So I'm leaving, and then I have this 6,000 times 1.01 parven over 10,000. Okay, and then I will have 0.6. Yeah. So let's write down. So it's going to be 1.01 parven minus 1 equals to 0.6 times 1.01 parven. Okay. Okay, when this you just have to do the math, you just move them around. Okay, so I'm going to move things around. So I'll have 1.01 parven minus 0.6 times 1.01 parven equals to 1. Then I'm going to ditch out the common, which the common is 1.01 parven. 1.01 parven. Okay, out you go. Then I'm left with 1 minus 0.6. Okay, because I ditched out the common, yeah? If you still confused with factorizing, you can check the other videos on factorizing. Okay, so that's equals 1. Okay, 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. So I have 1.01 parven times 0.4 equals to 1. Okay, I need to get rid of the 0.4. So I'm going to divide everything by 0.4 or move the 0.4 to the other side. So 1.01 parven equals to 1 over 0.4, which is, if I use the calculator, it's going to be 2.5. So this is a 2.5. Okay, so how many n's? Like what is the n? How many repayments? So we're going to use log. Okay, so log. So this is going to be log. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. The n equals to, so n equals to log base 1.01 of 2.5. Okay, so to find the exponent here, we're going to use log. So it's going to be log base 1.01 of 2.5. So let's use the calculator again. Okay, so I have it there. 1.01, the log base 1.01 of 2.5 is going to be 92.086, so approximately 92.1. So it's going to be n is going to be approximately 92.1. So she will be able to pay off her debt after the 92.1 payments. And because she's paying monthly, let's see, how many years will that be? Divided by 12. She's paying it in 7.67 years. So this is like approximately 7.67 years. That's a long time, okay? Like in 8 years. So that's when she'll be able to pay off her debt. So, okay, I hope this will be helpful and it will help you to understand more about compound interest using the geometric series. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.